Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Toyota 2-button remote key fob. First, what we need to do is to remove this screw here at the back of the casing. Like so. Now we need to prise the case open. And there is the housing that holds the key fob battery. We need to remove this black cover here to get at the key fob battery. You get a small flat-headed screwdriver and you get it underneath the cover like so to get at the battery. Get your small screwdriver underneath the key fob battery and prise it away. We get a new key fob battery like this one, which has a part number of CR2016. We place it back into the housing like so, and we pop the cover back on to secure it. Now, time to put it back together. You put the housing back into the key fob case, pop the case back on, make sure everything's lined up, and pop the screw back in to secure it. And we test it, tests all okay, and you're done.